So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 5 minute balance improving exercises to really help with our balance and strengthen and tone. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to stand and almost pretend that you have a piece of string holding up your head, so nice and straight, and you want to place your hands onto your tummy and breathe gently in for 3 and then hold that position. This will really help strengthen the core and also protect your back. So what we'll do now is we just stand with our feet almost sort of hip width apart, and you want to spread your toes so you have more surface area on the floor. And we're just gently going to lift up with our one foot and place down, and then the other. And let's just keep alternating. First of all, the feet. Do this a few more times on each side. Again, just getting everything moving along slightly. These are nice and gentle balancing exercises. And then lift up both of the feet by lifting up onto the toes and back down again. Let's do this 6 times. Remember to hold in your core, engage. 4, 5 and 6, and hold, and then just place down. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to lift up the leg and place it down, and again alternate on both legs. So if I take side view here, we're just going to lift the leg up and then just gently place down, and then lift the other leg, place down, and we'll do this 6 times. So again, holding in the core, back nice and straight, and try to again make sure that your feet are nice and flat and your toes are spread out for more surface area. So lift up, come down, 2, and now we're on our 4th, and then just 2 more on each side. Really important to make sure we have good balance, particularly getting older. And relax. So now we're going to do a technique where if I stand to the side, we're going to place one foot and place the other foot, so say our right foot in front, our left foot behind our right foot. And we're just going to, with our arms, swing out. Now, this may seem a really simple exercise, but actually it really does help with balance. And you just want to just keep moving your arms. Let's do this for another 6. Holding in the core. And release, and then switch sides. So our right is on the back and the left is at the front. Again, feet nice and spread out with the toes and nice and flat. And then again, just almost as if you're marching. Back nice and straight. Simple balance. And let's just do 2 more of these. And release. So we're going to do the same again, and this time we're going to just twist and turn with the arms. So feet nice and flat and toes spread out, one foot again in front of the other, getting our balance first. Again, making sure you've got plenty of surface area on your toes. Place the arms out. May seem simple, but it's quite tricky. And you just want to look to the side and alternate looking to the side from one to the other. May seem a very simple thing, but is actually quite tricky. And let's just do this another 4 times on each side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let go with the arms. And then let's swap sides, so on feet, so we're nice and even. So again, now I'm placing the left in front and the right behind, making sure we're nice and straight, arms out, and then again, let's just very gently look and twist to the side. 2, we do this 6 times. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and release. And then again, standing nice and straight, let's just lift our toes up and back down again. Now we're just going to place one leg still on the floor, toes splayed out, so we're nice and flat. Taking the other foot, lifting up onto our toes, and then just pushing out to the side. We do this 6 times. 2, 3, making sure our tummy is engaged and we're nice and straight. 5, and last one, 6. And again, changing position. So we're using now our right foot is going to be flat, placing our toes on our left by the side of our other foot, and then just play gently, still looking forward, tummy engaged. We're just moving the leg to the side. Let's do this just 4 more times. We've already done 2. And remembering to breathe. And 1 more for luck. And then again, just lift up the toes and just walk it out. Now these are really simple, easy exercises which seem easy on the outset, but actually when you do them, they can be quite difficult and tricky, but really important, helping with balance. And if you can do these once or even twice a day, I'm sure you'll find a great improvement. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.